is too heavy from things that carry a long time. Been up, yeah, been down, tired and you don't know why, but you're never gonna go back.